Hello friends, today we are introducing 3-in-1 digital calibration system for soldering station. Model is ISC 3192. It's a 3-in-1 digital calibrator system mainly used for calibration of soldering station and which is required for periodically calibrating the soldering station and meeting the ISO standards. So we will give you uh, an overview about this product and the parts supplied along with the main equipment. So let's start and see what is inside the box. Let us open this box first. We can see this is the operating manual, and calibration certificate is also provided along with this equipment, which is valid for 1 year from the date of issue. Next thing is the main unit. See, this is the main 3-in-1 calibrator. Next thing is this power cord. This is used for connecting this unit to the external power source. Next thing is the thermocouple. A set of 10 thermocouples is provided along with this unit. K-type thermocouple. K-type thermocouple is also provided along with this unit for measuring the temperature of solder pots and other products. This is the grounding cord. It is connected to the main unit on one side, and on the other end it is connected to the external grounding point. So we have shown you the products, the main product and the accessories supplied along with this equipment. So next, in the next step, we will explain you how to connect this system to the main power supply, and then we will connect it to the product under testing. It means the soldering station. So let us see how it is connected to the main source, and on the other side how it is connected to the soldering station. So let's start. See, it is connected uh, to the main through this soldering station. We will show you the connection diagram as well, how it is connected to the soldering station. This is the soldering station we will use, and this is the main power cord which is connected to AC source, and this soldering station is connected. See, this is the cord which we have connected to the soldering station, is connected to this calibrator through this port, and the power supply to this soldering station is supplied through this calibrator. So this is on off switch. We will switch it on first. This thermocouple can also be connected to this port, getting the polarity. So there are three functions. We can use this calibrator for three different functions. First one is for setting the leakage voltage. Second one is for checking the leakage resistance, and third one for measuring the tip temperature. So first of all, we will measure the tip temperature. We need to just put this thermocouple sensor on this port. Positive uh, polarity should be matched to this red symbol, and negative should be matched to this blue wire. So this is how it is connected. Red one to the red terminal, and blue one to the blue terminal. Then we will just push this lever downwards and insert the thermocouple like this way, and release this, so that appropriate tension is provided to this thermocouple, and just turn the knob to the temperature setting. Now it is showing the ambient temperature, and we will check the temperature of this soldering station. First we need to apply some fresh solder on this soldering tip, and this soldering temperature should be more than 350 degree, so that this then we need to touch this soldering tip at this terminal. See, this is now displaying the actual temperature. However, set temperature is 350 degree and the actual temperature which we have measured on this thermometer is 395. So we need to calibrate this unit, which we have explained to you earlier. Now we will use the other. Just keep the soldering iron here, remove this thermocouple, then we will measure the tip to ground resistance. First, we will also show you this grounding cord can also be connected through this banana plug here. We can connect this banana plug here, and this crocodile clip we can attach to this this metal plate. Then just push this knob towards this direction and release this. Then we can remove this grounding cord. Now we will measure the tip to ground resistance. We have just moved the knob to ohm position, and we will measure we need to touch this metal plate and let the solder melt. When the solder is fully melt, we can see that the tip to ground resistance is 1 ohm, which is acceptable because it should be less than 2 ohm. So this station is perfectly grounded. Now next we will move to the tip to ground potential. See, tip to ground potential is 0.4 millivolt. It should be ideally it should be less than 2 millivolt. Now it is 0.4 millivolt, so which is permitted, which is within permissible range. So this soldering station is this leakage voltage is also within permitted range. So we have measured all three parameters, which like temperature measurement, tip to ground resistance, and tip to ground potential. So this is a very essential equipment which we can use for periodical calibration of soldering station and other digital soldering products. So we highly recommend you to go for it. The model is ISC 3192 3-in-1 digital calibrator for calibrating the soldering station. So it is a must buy product. You should go for it. And thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.